Hello everyone, welcome back to the Core Java series. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statements. Now think about real life. Every day we take decision like if it is rainy, we take an umbrella. That's simple. We are going hungry, we eat food. Okay. In the same way, in the programming, we also need to make decision, and for that we use conditional statements. Next, what are conditional statements? Conditional statements help us control the flow of the program. It means the program will not run everything blindly. It will check a conditional first. If the condition is true, it will execute on block of code. Okay. If the condition is first, it may execute something else. Then types of conditional statement. There are mainly four types of conditional statements in Java. Okay. First is simple if. Second is if else. Third is else if later, which is used for multiple conditions. And fourth is switch, which is used when we have multiple fixed options. Got it? Then if a statement is the most basic one, it check a condition. If the condition is true or code is inside the block will execute it. If the condition is false, nothing will happen. So it is like only do this if condition is true. If example, let's understand with the real example. Here we checking age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then message will print you can vote. If age is less than 18, nothing will print. So the condition control the output. Next, if else statement. Okay. Now comes if else. In this case, we handle both situations. If the condition is true, one block run. If the condition is false, the block else run. So here something will always execute. If else example. In this example, age is 16. The condition is age is less than 18 is false. So if block will be skipped and the else block will execute. That why output will be not eligible because age is 16 less than 18, so not eligible. Next, else if later. Now imagine we have multiple conditions. For example, marks grade system. If marks above 90, grade A, above 75, grade B, above 50, grade C. In this case, we use else if later. The program check condition one by one from top to bottom. As soon as one condition become true, it execute that block and stop. Now see example. Else if example. Here marks is 85. First condition 90 is false. Second condition 75 is true. So it will print B and stop the checking further. This is a very important one. Only one block run. Switch statement. Now let's talk about switch. Switch is used when we have fixed option like menu selection, day of week or choose. Instead of writing many if else condition, switch make code clear, clean and more readable. Okay, let's see example. of switch. Here day is 2. Okay, so it's match case 2 and print Tuesday. Break is very important. It's a stop execution after matching case. If we don't use break, multiple case will run. Key differences: use if when you are dealing with conditions like greater than or less than. Use switch when you have fixed value like number or options. This help you write better and clear code. And important tips: always remember condition must return true or false. Else is optional but useful. Break is important in switch, and else if later order matter a lot. Next topic: in this video we will learn a loop which help us repeat tasks again and again. This will make your program much more powerful. So stay connected and keep learning. Thank you guys.